Welcome to TradeLeaks, where we pull back the curtain on brokers, cutting through marketing to expose the reality behind regulation, platform quality, customer service, and awards. Today, we're reviewing CMC Markets, a long-standing name in trading, but does history guarantee transparency? CMC is heavily regulated by the FCA, UK, ASIC, Australia, MAS, Singapore, and DFSA, Dubai. That's top-tier oversight, offering strong client fund protection. But despite its global presence, U.S. residents are excluded, and CMC enforces strict geo-blocking in several jurisdictions, limiting accessibility. The broker offers two main account types: spread betting, UK only, and CFD trading, both for retail and professional clients. Leverage is capped per regulatory standards, but pro accounts get more flexibility, with fewer protections. Notably, there's no cent, micro, or Islamic account, making it less ideal for certain niches. CMC's proprietary next-generation platform is impressive, sleek, fast, packed with tools. However, traders should be aware, price feeds are controlled in-house, unlike MetaTrader 5, which uses independent liquidity providers. Some user reports claim pricing lags during high volatility or spreads widening off schedule, raising concern over, quote, transparency. CMC does offer MT4, but no MT5, a platform many prefer for its faster execution, depth of market visibility, and more accurate backtesting. Relying mostly on their own tech may work for some, but pros tend to trust MT5's open infrastructure more. They boast awards like #1 Platform Features and Best Forex Broker, but most come from yearly polls, not independent audits. Are these marketing tools or proof of excellence? You decide. In short, CMC Markets offers regulatory strength and platform sophistication, but traders should be mindful of platform control and limited account variety. Want more unbiased broker breakdowns? Subscribe to TradeLeaks and trade smarter.